Hi, I'm Dr. Whitten, founder of the Whitten Method, and today I have a very ambitious video. I'm going to turn you all into acupuncturists. Not really. Acupuncture obviously takes years of study, but with muscle testing, we can effectively work with the meridians without years of study. So today I'm going to show you, using muscle testing, how to find the acupuncture points that need clearing and show you how to clear them without needles. If you're interested in learning muscle testing, or if you're a beginner, I have a 5-week Zoom class that's going to be starting soon, so email me if you're interested in that. It meets once a week for an hour per class, and we're going to go over how to improve your confidence with muscle testing and how to clear issues, how to test for different lifestyle issues like diet and stress, and lots of fun applications, and you'll be a lot more confident and accurate by the end of that. So contact me if you're interested in that. So to diagnose which meridians have a blockage, we're going to use certain indicator points. And there's 2 sets of indicator points that I'll show you. If you're going to work with these, you're going to want to download or print out a chart of the meridians. So I'm not going to show you every little point and exactly where they are. I'm going to be using the beginning and ending points as well as the source points. So the beginning and ending points of all the yang meridians are on the face. So for 3 of the yang meridians, the beginning points are on the face, and for the other 3 yang meridians, it's the ending points that are on the face. For the yin channels, all 6 points are in the upper chest area. So they're very convenient for testing the meridians, just to find out if there's a blockage in one of those meridians. The other system are what we call the source points, and all of those points are either on the wrist or the ankles. So they're very convenient. You just touch the points and you muscle test, and that will tell you if there's an issue with one of those meridians. Okay? And then what you do is you trace the meridian to find out which is the point that you should treat. But we'll get into that in a second. So if we want to check the 6 yang channels, we've got bladder, gallbladder, stomach, triple heater, small intestine, and large intestine. They're all right here. So once again, bladder 1, stomach 1, gallbladder 1, and then these are the ending points for the triple warmer, also called the triple heater, small intestine, and large intestine. So those are on both sides. So what I'm showing you are the 12 bilateral meridians. So you check them on both sides. So once you go through it on the left side, you go through and test the points on the right side. There's also 2 meridians that are midline, the conception vessel and governing vessel. So the end point for the conception vessel is right here, and for the governing vessel it's right there. Very convenient. So you can diagnose 8 meridians right here on the face. So that's extremely convenient. So those are the beginning and ending points for the yang channels as well as the conception and governing vessels. For the yin channels, we're going to test the kidney, the lung, pericardium. The heart 1 is right in the armpit. Spleen 21 is right there, and then the last liver point is right there. So we can check the 6 yin channels right there in the chest. So now we're going to check the beginning and ending points using muscle testing. Bladder, gallbladder, stomach, triple heater, large intestine, small intestine. Okay, you can do them together. You can just do them like this, using your hand, and if there's an issue with one of them, you can find out which one is the problem. Again, to check the yin channels, we'll touch kidney, lung 1, pericardium, heart 1, spleen 21, and the liver ending point. And we'll do those on both sides, so you'll go through and do it on the other side as well. So that's how you find if there's a weakness. If the muscle test goes weak, you know there's an issue with that channel. Okay? Now you can do the same thing with the source points. They're very convenient points on the hand. So the source point for large intestine is right there, triple heater and small intestine. And then we've got the lung point, the pericardium, and the heart point there. Bladder 64, gallbladder 40, stomach 42, kidney 6, spleen 3, liver 3. In the description, we'll leave a link that has all the points. So once again, just print out the charts of the channels and you'll be able to see where they are. So they're right around the wrist, okay? The points are right around the wrist. So we can muscle test these points like this. Just touch them like that and we'll check the large intestine, the triple heater, and the small intestine. And then we'll go down to the ankle and do the same down there. So let's say there was a weakness on her large intestine channel. What we would then do is we would go down her large intestine channel to all the different points and muscle test. And let's say she goes weak there. We would know that that's the point that needs treating, okay? So the next thing, if you're not an acupuncturist, you can't use needles to treat these points. So what do? Well, you can stimulate the points in many ways, and we'll muscle test to see what way the body wants to treat a given point. We can ask the body if it wants the point to be tapped, rubbed, or simply held. So we could either tap a point like that, rub it, or simply hold it. So when you tap or rub it, you're tonifying, you're stimulating that point. By holding it, you're sedating it, you're pulling energy out of that point. Other possibilities are using a laser or some type of electroacupuncture device. If you're interested in learning the most advanced muscle testing system that I've spent the last 20 years developing, email me and I'll send you the Whitten Method video course. It's broken down into 3 modules. Module 1 is devoted to correcting structural issues, spinal misalignments, and soft tissue problems requiring massage, fascia release, trigger point therapy, adhesions, and how to precisely find and release them. Module 2 addresses chemical imbalances, diet, supplements, infections, hormonal issues, toxicities, allergies, diagnosing weak organs and organ systems, that sort of thing. Module 3, we learn how to treat energetic disturbances like stress and depression and emotional trauma, lack of confidence. No other healing system is so complete or easy to learn. It is the course for those who want to be a complete healer. So if you're interested in learning the system, just email me and we can get you that course. So I hope that helps. Try it out. Let me know if you have any issues. Hopefully I was complete enough. When I was studying acupuncture, I was in chiropractic school and they had a 100-hour certificate course that they taught on weekends. So I have a 100-hour certificate which enables me to practice acupuncture in 35 states. I've had that certificate since the mid-90s. And most of the acupuncture I learned was from clinical kinesiology. So I learned how to do acupuncture from muscle testing. So we had these books of all the different charts. So if you want to use this, just print out the charts of the meridians. Either each meridian, just make a page for each meridian so you can trace it. I don't know all the meridians and all the points. There's hundreds of points. But as a muscle tester, this is a great way to start working with the 5 elements and the meridian system. It's a wealth of information, and so this enables you to do that without 4 years of study. So hope that helps. Leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.